Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope you're having a great day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. Y'all, today we're going to unbox my second piece from the last 2.25 Coach denim drop. Y'all know I had a terrible day on that day because I was up from 3 o'clock that morning until 2:30 that afternoon trying to get one bag, and it was the large denim Rowan that they came out with, and y'all know that whole drop was a debacle. We're not going to focus on that anymore. It's past, it's done. I have let Coach know how I feel about it, and I hope you have too. So with that being said, I am going to show you the bag that I got last time, and I've got it styled and everything, so I'll show you that in just a few moments. And we're going to unbox that second piece that I got from the drop. They actually had it in store that day, which I'll show you some pictures from the store. And then I just went ahead and ordered it online because it was one of the only items still available online. So I just went ahead and ordered that. It was one of the 2 out of maybe 3 pieces that I really wanted, but it did manage to come yesterday. So I wanted to share it with y'all and unbox it and show y'all what it looks like because it's really cute. And I'm happy with Coach items. I'm just not really happy with their service lately. And I don't really know what to do at this point. You get responses from Coach and they just sound kind of generic. You know, they don't really follow through with anything and nothing ever changes. So Coach, I hope y'all are listening to some of these videos on these content creators and people that are your customers. Do a little bit better and do better on these drops for your customers. Stop the resellers from buying up everything and making it hard for us to get items that we want. It's a Coach outlet item, so it should be an outlet price. You're going and you're paying like $2.50 for a bag, and then these resellers, since you can't get it, are charging $6, $7. I've seen $1,000 for this $250 bag. So I really don't know what to say about that, except for just don't buy from the resellers, y'all, and we can stop that immediately. I know that's hard to do because you want the items, but I don't know what else to do as far as that situation goes. But anyway, I digress, and we're going to get on with the unboxing of this bag I got today. And I hope everybody was able to get some of the items they wanted from the Coach drop last time. I know it was terrible, y'all, but we have to move on with our lives, and I can just move on from Coach if I need be. I love my Coach items, and I'll keep what I've got, but I may have to kind of just go on hold from Coach right now. Is it really that big of a need to buy a Coach bag all the time? So unless it's something I just have to have from Coach, I'm probably not going to be purchasing a lot from them in the near future unless they, you know, change their situation. So with that being said, y'all, I hope everybody is having a great day, and I'm sorry to even focus on that negativity from Coach, but I just had to address it. And since I'm showing you a Coach bag today, I did want to talk about that drop because it was, you know. But let's move on, y'all. I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Y'all are the best. Thank you so much for watching my channel and coming back and commenting. Y'all, please comment on this situation that's going on right now. I would love to hear from you, see what you got, and all that kind of stuff as well. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I do post images of some of the stuff I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there as well, shopping links, discount codes, and you can shop my Depop closet as well. And with all that out of the way, if everybody could just take 1 second, stop and give this video a big thumbs up. It does help my channel to grow. And don't forget to hype my video in the YouTube app as well. I do appreciate that. Now y'all, I just had a recent vlog sale on my channel a couple of videos ago. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. See the items that are for sale because they're all still available. And the main item that I was showing is this beautiful Coach twin turn lock in the large size here. It is basically in new condition. I've never even carried the bag. I just used it for some videos, and since I didn't have a chance to use it, it is yours now for sale. If anybody wants it, it's in pristine condition and it's beautiful. I just happened to buy the graffiti one that's back on the shelf there, and I don't really want 2 of this particular bag, even though I may wind up keeping it. But right now I've got it listed for, I think the price is down to about $425, which I think I paid about $525 for this bag. So that's a steal on this beautiful and basically new bag. So y'all do check those items out, and the vlog sale is still up. All of the items are listed in the description of that vlog sale. All right, y'all, before I show you that second bag from the denim drop that I have today to show you, I do want to show you my large Rowan. I got it completely styled out, and she is beautiful and stunning. Let me show you all of the little charms and stuff that I've put on her up close here. Here she is. I think she is beautiful. Y'all please comment and let me know what you think about her in the comments. I love all my little charms, my extra large hang tag and everything on there. So she's really cute. And on the back side here, I actually put my Skull Panda, the rainbow one there with her rainbow hair. She's so cute. But I love this bag so far, and I'm really getting some good use out of it. I love the denim, so I'm happy. I just hate that it took an act of Congress to get it that day, but I am happy with her, and I think she's beautiful. Y'all let me know what you think about her. And let's move on. We're gonna unbox the next bag that I got from this line and see how it looks. Hopefully everything came good. This was from the Coach outlet website, and I saw it that day. I'll put some pictures up of the bag in the store. I saw it, and then I checked online. It was still available, so I said, you know, after all this stuff going on, let me just order it online and have one actually delivered to the house. So this is the one that came to the house. So let's open it up together here. And of course, it just came in a big box here. Let me get my little cutter out here, and we're gonna open it up together, okay? All right, let's see what we got here, y'all. So y'all, don't forget to let me know in the comment section what all y'all were able to snag from that drop. The powder pink, the Coach Love denim, whatever you got, let me know and let me see a picture. If you can post a picture of that, that would be fabulous too. I'd love to see it. All right, so here is what we got inside the box. Bunch of stuffing here. Let's get it all out. All right, y'all, here is the bag. Okay, so it is kind of squished down in here. I'm just gonna show you how it's squished down in here. So this is how they squish this bag in here. Now, sometimes Coach will send a little tiny item in a huge box, but then they'll send a big item like this in a little box. So, I mean, it's not completely squished, but, and it is a soft bag, so hopefully it's not damaged, but here it is. All right, and there is the packaging. Let me get rid of this box here. All right, y'all, so let's open it up together and see how it looks. All right, y'all, and this is the Coach Small Tour Tote. I saw it in the window there, and I really wasn't interested in another tote, but we had actually seen this in the jacquard denim that was out the last drop, and I didn't really care for it, but this one right here, I guess it's because of the faded denim. I just loved it, and I had to get it, so that's why I ordered it, because I didn't really have this on my list to get, but when I saw it, I was like, I really could use this tote, and I think it's really pretty in this beautiful faded color. So there it is. Let me just go around and take everything out of it and get all of the stuffing and stuff out of it, and I'll show you some close-up details on this tote. All right, y'all, I got all of the packaging and stuffing out of this tote here, and here it is. Let me do a 360 spin of the tote, and then we're gonna go in close and I'll show you some details of it. It is pretty. All right, it's really soft, so it doesn't have a whole lot of structure. It's just kind of a bloop, flat bag. So there it is, there's the bottom of it. I love the distressing on the denim. It has a top part that actually zips up here, so you can zip the top of it. The zipper part comes down low though. It comes down to about like right here on the bag where that seam is right here. So it is smaller, so you're not gonna hold as much up to the top unless you keep it open because of that deep zipper pocket. But it does zip, and it has a really nice zipper on it. You can take the handles here and you can just pull them up like this to have a longer handle drop if you want to. And then the other ones just kind of go inside of the tote. So that's how it looks with the longer handles. You can use those over your shoulder a little bit easier. So that's nice that it has the two type handles. Let's go in a little bit closer on this bag, and I'm gonna show you some details. All right, y'all, let me show you some close-ups on this bag here. Let me get this out of the way here so you can see this beautiful distressed denim. The bag does have a little bit of wrinkling in here where they squished it during the shipping, so hopefully that's gonna come out. But it has this really nice, it's kind of like an impression of Coach here. It's not embroidered in, but it's just like a little stamp there that they've done that's really deep into the fabric there. So that is really nice. I love the distressing on the denim, and then you have like some distressing on top here. And the color on it is just really pretty. So I like this tote so much. And I'll have to put maybe an organizer in it just so it has a little more shape. There's a little distressing there. Here's the back side of it. And it has that nice darker and little lighter pieces, which I love. So I love stuff like that. It looks worn. Let me show you the bottom up close here. Okay, there's the bottom of it. All right, and let's move to the inside of it. I'll show you the little handles up close here. So there's your handles. And like I said, they convert, and you have a piece of denim on top here for the top handle. And then on this inside piece, this is the zipper part. Show you. So there is the interior area with the zipper, and then you have just this zipper pull here, and let me unzip it for you and show you how it unzips. So there is the zipper part. Let me show you the interior on this bag. It's really dark. Let me just open it up all the way. Now here is the zipper pull on it. It has like a little piece here that just comes down and hangs. That is your zipper on there. And then here is the zipper pull here. It's a nice big fat chunky zipper, which I like a chunky zipper. I have big hands, so it's easier to grab onto. All right, let's open up this inside here. So it's just kind of a big open area here, and it has a zipper pull there for your pocket that's on the inside, this leather in that lighter brown color. And then let me show you the journey tag. There's your journey tag. And you have that zipper pocket. All right, and then here is the interior of the zipper pocket here. So it's just a big opening on the inside. I'll definitely have to get me a organizer for this bag for sure. So, but I do like it. I think it's a cute tote, and I'll definitely be using it for sure. So I really like a tote. This is how it looks over your shoulder with the short handles. It's very tight. I have a big arm, so it's tight on me. So if you have a small arm, you could carry it that way. Otherwise, it's gonna be the converted way with the longer strap for me like this. So, but it's super comfortable that way. So very, very nice that way. You've got plenty of length there on your shoulder strap. So it's really cute. Y'all tell me what you think about this tote in the comments, please. And like I said, this is my second and probably only purchase from that denim drop since nothing was available. But I do like this, and I'm glad I got it in my collection. So I have a couple of Coach pieces in denim now, and I think I'm good on denim, y'all. The bag does come with a couple of different charms as well. This is like a little wallet or luggage tag that you can put your stuff in for your identification, or you can carry whatever you wanted to into it really. But it's just a leather. It's got a Coach logo on the little button there, and then you also get this little key that's attached. So that's very nice. I like that it comes with the charms. All right, y'all, so that is my review for today on this Coach small tour tote in the Love Denim. I think it's really pretty, and I'll definitely be getting some use out of it. I just need to get me a little organizer for the bottom of it since it's so soft. But I do love the color on it and everything, and I love that it came with the charms and all. So my second piece from the Love Denim, and I've got two pieces here that I just absolutely love and I was able to get. So I think I have enough denim for a while. Y'all don't forget to check out my video on my vlog sale. Everything is still available, and I would hope somebody would like to pick up that beautiful twin turn lock. So don't forget to check that out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. And don't forget to give me a like on the way out. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.